Welcome to Dream Car Garage, the latest and greatest automotive channel on YouTube. We're going to be showcasing some of the world's most beautiful vehicles and driving them like we stole them. Now today's car is going to be the Ferrari 812 Superfast. I picked this because it's actually one of my favorite exotic cars right now. It's definitely my favorite Ferrari in their current lineup. I love it because it looks actually like the Ferrari 550 and 575 of the past, and that's my favorite car of all time. Now, as you can see, it comes in many colors. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take it from factory fresh, as you see it right now, to we're going to whip it, drift it, customize it, and you're going to get to see my design as well. And then we're going to whip it again. That's what we do over here, so let's get to it.
So easily open up your eyes and see there's more to our story. Baby, open up to me, don't give up so easily. Open up your eyes and see there's more to our story. Don't leave me hanging. Don't leave me hanging on. So easily, don't leave me hanging. Don't leave me hanging on.
Yo, you can't tell me the Ferrari 812 isn't one of the sexiest cars ever made. That's why I picked it for today's video. You already know. If you like the vibe, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, because I got a lot of cool stuff coming your way. As you could tell, I did a lot of cool things to this one to make it look unique. I blacked out the area in between the rear tail lights to give it that look reminiscent of the Ferrari Challenge cars. I also made those inlets in between the front headlights silver, along with the side mirrors of the vehicle, so you can see it gives it kind of a look more reminiscent of the Ferrari 555 and 575, which is actually one of my favorite exotic cars of all time. But enough about that. You know what, let's go ahead and take this sexy beast for a drive.
Is it too much to ask that you be all mine? I never was good at sharing. I'm just good at caring too much.
making it this far in the video. If you like what you see, hit that like and subscribe button along with the notification bell. I got a lot of cool stuff coming your way. Let me know what you think of the video. Let me know what you think of my design, what your dream car is. I got a ton of stuff coming your way. Huge shout out to Microsoft, Take 10 Studios, and Playground Games for making the best driving game out right now. I definitely can't wait till Horizon 5 comes out. And as you can see there, we got the music credit, Bomb Music. Check the info below.